Hello. Thank you, Ma'am Nancy. Marami abit-abit sa inyo ngamin. Mga gurang, mga bisita, and to the beautiful and handsome candidates of this occasion. First and foremost, I would like to express for and in behalf of the Maramba teaching and non-teaching personnel, the Barangay Council of Barangay Maramba, for lending us this covered court. Barangay Council headed by our very own Tomas Vasquez, and nakikita ko sa mga kagawad niya ito, kagawad Rani Bagalay, kagawad Rodel Parques, kagawad Herman Radan, and the kagawad Committee on Education, si Ma'am kagawad Arlene Bagalay. And also, I'd like to thank our SPTA President for blessing the show. Thank you. And also, we are very lucky tonight because we have with us personnel from the Department of Education. Nandito po sa atin ngayon ang Education Program Supervisor ng